In this video, we'll cover hardware related to all versions of the pattern controller. This includes the selector switch, guns, and triggers. This is the system type selector switch. Set to 0 for pattern controller systems integrated with InvisiPac. Set to 1 for standalone pattern controller systems. In order to change the system type, the user must remove power to the system, change the switch position to the desired setting, and reapply power to the system. This is the gun that is used to dispense adhesive onto the product. Here is the recommended gun mounting method. The electrical connections made from the pattern controller to the solenoids on the guns can be seen inside the electrical enclosure along with status LEDs. Shown is the recommended trigger mounting bracket. This bracket also comes in a right angle version in addition to the straight bracket shown. Here is an example of a retroreflective style trigger. When no product is present, the trigger's emitted light reflects off the reflector and is detected back at the trigger. When the product is present, the trigger's emitted light is obstructed and is not detected back at the trigger. Here is an example of a diffuse style trigger. When no product is present, the trigger's emitted light does not bounce off of anything and is not detected back at the trigger. When the product is present, the trigger's emitted light bounces off the product and is detected back at the trigger. The sensor comes with a sensitivity adjustment that is used to calibrate the sensitivity of the trigger. Use a screwdriver to adjust the sensitivity to the appropriate value. The trigger's yellow LED should be off with no product present and on with product present. The sensitivity dial can help account for product color, distance from the trigger, and ambient light. The electrical connections made from the pattern controller to the triggers can be seen here inside the electrical enclosure, along with status LEDs.